Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Loom Video issues. So if you're having issues with your Loom Video, it's either you don't have or the Loom doesn't have access to video recordings or basically video capture devices and the actual microphone that you have. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate through this lock icon. This is going to be the page information or the site setting for this specific device, or I mean this specific setting. Click site setting and make sure that loom.com is set to allow microphone. Same thing with the camera. So in that case, it won't actually have errors regarding our microphone and the actual camera that we are using. From there, you want to navigate through the side panels on which you actually want to select which or what type of screen you want to record. So there's going to be full screen, window, and current tab. In my case, I'm going to record my entire screen. So click start recording. And in my case, I'll just proceed with recording because right now my mic is actually muted from Loom. Click yes, proceed. And from here, this is where most people get confused because you actually want to select the screen that you want to record. So in my case, it's going to be the entire screen itself. I have two monitors right here. So I'm going to select screen 1 or monitor 1, click share. And from there, you are simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.